Vitamin C is known as one of those vitamins we all have in our kitchen cabinets. It's a regular vitamin we all take. Maybe helps with infections, cold and flu time. It's just a useful vitamin. The thing is, vitamin C is a very unique antioxidant. Its chemical structure closely resembles glucose, so it has the ability to penetrate all water-soluble cells inside the cell and outside the cell. Vitamin C for a healthy cell is extremely important. It's almost the fuel that makes our cells work. Other antioxidants can help vitamin C do its work, but if we have low or depleted levels of vitamin C, we will find disease or health conditions associated in our bodies. Now, vitamin C has been studied a lot in relation to cancer. The way it works is cancer cells have a lot of iron in a cancer cell as opposed to a healthy cell. Vitamin C penetrates into that iron in that cell, and there's hydrogen peroxide and reactions and a Fenton reaction and chemical reactions that happen that causes the cell to die. So that's what happens with vitamin C and cancer cells. Now, chemotherapy works like this. It affects actually both cancer cells and healthy cells, and this is how it works. In a cancer cell, in a malignant cell, it's a situation inside of high oxidative stress, intracellular oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is very high in a cancer cell as opposed to a healthy cell. So the chemotherapy, which is also a pro-oxidative toxic agent. So chemotherapy comes into the malignant cell and it's oxidative, and it's already a high oxidative state in here. So much oxidation, the cell can't take it anymore and it pretty much dies. That's how chemotherapy causes the cancer cell to die. But the chemotherapy will also go to healthy cells. Now, healthy cells, the oxidative stress level is not as high as the cancer level. So when the chemotherapy comes into the healthy cells, the oxidative stress still rises, but sometimes not as much to kill it. But sometimes it does damage the cell in a way it makes the healthy cell sick. And this is why many individuals on chemotherapy feel side effects of chemotherapy. It includes nausea, vomiting, pain, appetite, digestive issues. Usually you can trace that back to the healthy cells being sick and not working as well, and sometimes dying as well. So that's how the chemotherapy works on the cancer cells and the healthy cells. Now, what's interesting is some people choose to use vitamin C along with their chemotherapy, and that is actually a great combination for several reasons. The vitamin C basically goes with the chemotherapy into that and helps the oxidative stress go higher and helps the chemotherapy kill the cancer cells, which is great. Now, the chemotherapy has also damaged some of the healthy cells, but the vitamin C comes in there and helps to repair and keep healthy those healthy cells, so the chemotherapy has less effect on the healthy cells. What we find is individuals that take chemotherapy with vitamin C, they oftentimes feel less of the side effects from the chemotherapy, and it only makes sense. They're feeling less side effects because less of their healthy cells are damaged. There's a few other things you can take that do the same thing: selenium and vitamin E. So vitamin C, vitamin E, and selenium all help to do the same thing. If you choose to do chemotherapy and you take these vitamins, supplements, they really help with your experience on chemotherapy. Now, some people choose and they claim that vitamin C can completely cure the cancer, without taking chemotherapy or anything else. Now, the studies on vitamin C and cancer, most of them have been done with IV vitamin C. IV vitamin C helps to get large amounts of vitamin C in our system. And as you can see how beneficial vitamin C is, it only makes sense if you elevate the level of vitamin C, it's going to be doing a lot of good in our bodies. You really have to look into the IV vitamin C for that route, because if you take 10,000 milligrams of vitamin C orally, which some people try to do, the thing is our intestinal tract won't absorb that. It will only absorb about 500 milligrams. So you'll take 10,000, you'll only absorb 5, and you'll probably have very bad diarrhea as well as an effect of that extra vitamin C. So for elevated levels of vitamin C in your system, you do want to look into IV vitamin C therapy to get those benefits. Anyway, this is a quick video just to show you that vitamin C is very promising to cancer prevention, general immunity as well. This video is specific to cancer, but I will make another video with the top 3 items, the top 3 benefits of vitamin C. But for now, just know vitamin C, cancer, beneficial. This is Kshamica MD from KshamicaMD.com.